You can see the moon through the trees over there. It's a little red. It's like a remnant of the blood moon from last night. I can get a better photo of it for you. Really peaceful here. Near Lake Manaraya. I think that's how you say it. And I am in the number 2 tent here. And it's half permanent building and half tent. As you can see, there's a screen there. And they're very strict on using mosquito repellent here. So that's the first thing they tell you when you come here. Okay, I'm having a great trip. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Listen to those crickets.